In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into your Webflow site. If you want to add an interactive form to your website without rebuilding it from scratch, this is a quick and effective way to do it. We'll be taking the embed code from Typeform and placing it directly into Webflow using the built-in embed element. This method is especially useful when you want your form to keep its original styling and functionality exactly as it appears in Typeform. To begin, go to your Typeform and open the sharing options. From there, find the embed section. Then choose the option to embed it in a web page. You'll see a code snippet generated for you. This snippet is what allows the form to display properly on your website. So make sure you copy the full code exactly as provided. Once you've copied the embed code, switch over to Webflow and open your project in the Webflow Designer. This is where you'll place the form on the page. Navigate to the page and section where you want the Typeform to appear so you can insert it in the correct location right away. Next, open the Add panel by clicking the A icon. Inside the list of elements, locate the embed element and drag it onto your canvas. Place it where you want the form to be displayed. The placement matters since the form will appear exactly in that part of your layout. As soon as you drop the embed element onto the page, the embed editor modal will open. This is where you'll paste the Typeform snippet you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste the full code into the editor. Be careful not to remove any part of the snippet, because even a small change can prevent the form from loading correctly. After pasting the code, click Save and Close to apply it to the page. At this point, the embed is added inside Webflow, but it may not be fully live for visitors until you publish the site. Finally, publish your Webflow site. Once publishing is complete, open the live version of the page and confirm that the Typeform appears and works as expected. If it doesn't show up immediately, refresh the page and give it a moment to load, since embedded content can sometimes take a little longer than regular page elements. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Typeform into Webflow using an embed element, giving your site a clean and professional way to collect responses directly from your visitors.